Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, DGmath TV. Sa video na ito ay pag-aaralan natin ang Arithmetic series. Pero bago ang lahat ay subscribe nyo na ang aking channel, DGmath TV, at i-click nyo na rin ang bell notification para maging updated kayo sa aking latest math tutorial videos, and just keep on watching. Arithmetic series. The sum S sub n of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n, or S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of 2 a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times t, where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, n is the number of terms, and t is the common difference. So, obviously, kung gagamitin natin ang formula na ito, kung yung given ay the first term, the nth term, and the number of terms. While gagamitin natin ang second formula kung ang given natin ay the first term, the number of terms, and the common difference. So, yung clue lang natin ay, kung meron siyang common difference na given the first term and the number of terms, ito yung second formula yung gagamitin natin. So, let's have the first example. For this one, the given is a sub 1 is equals to 21, a sub 8 is equals to 140, and S sub 8 is equals to, so the missing term is the the missing is S sub 8. So, ano nga ba ang formula na gagamitin natin sa example na ito? Kung first formula ba or yung second formula? So, mapapansin natin na yung given ay the number of terms and the first term, so, and the nth term, which is a sub 8. So, using this first formula, S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Ano nga ba yung S sub n natin? S sub n natin ay 8. Yung n natin ay 8. So, yung n natin ay 8 over 2 times the quantity of, yung a sub 1 natin ay 21 plus a sub n. Ano nga ba ang ating a sub n? Yung a sub n natin ay ito. A sub 8 is equals to 140 plus 140. And then, the next step is, yung 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. 21 plus 140 is equal to 161. 4 times 161 is 644. So, ang ating S sub 8 is equals to 644. So, that is our final answer for this first example. Our S sub 8 is equals to 644. Sa second example naman tayo. So, yung given natin ay S sub 15 is equals to negative 90, D is equals to negative 7, and our missing is A sub 1, which is, yan yung ipa-find natin. So, ano nga ba ang gagamitin nating formula? So, mapapansin natin ang gagamitin nating formula ay the second formula. Since given yung since yung unknown natin ay the first term, and given naman yung number of terms natin, which is 15, and the sum of it, which is negative 90, and the common difference. So using the formula, S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times t. So, yung S sub n natin ay S sub 15. Pero alam na natin na yung S sub 15 natin ay negative 90. So, negative 90 is equals to, ano ang ating n? So, yung n natin ay 15. So, 15 over 2 times 2, and a sub 1 natin ay, yan ang missing. So, we'll leave this as a sub 1 plus yung n natin, ano? So, 15 minus 1. Ano naman ang ating common difference? Ang ating common difference ay negative 7. So, negative 90 is equals to 15 over 2 times 2a sub 1. I-simplify natin muna yung nasa inner term. So, 15 minus 1 is equals to 14 times negative 7. Negative 90 is equals to 15 over 2 times 2a sub 1 minus 98. So, negative 90 is equals to, ngayon naman, i-distribute na natin ito. Yung 15 over 2 times 2a sub 1 is equals to 30 a sub 1 over 2 minus 1,000 15 over 2 times negative 98 is equals to 1,470 over 2. And negative 90 is equals to 30 a sub 1 over 2 is equals to 15 a sub 1 minus 1,470 divided by 2 is equals to 735. So, negative 90 is equals to, so, pwede natin i-transpose na ito na negative 735 to the left side. So, yung ating negative 735 will be positive 735 since ita-transpose natin sa left side. Equals to 735 is equals to 15 a sub 1. Negative 90 plus 735 is equals to 15 a sub 1. Ngayon naman, para ma-eliminate yung 15 dito, we need to divide both sides by 15 para ma-find natin yung a sub 1. Dito tayo. Negative 90 plus 735 is equals to 15 a sub 1 divided by 15. Divide both sides by 15. Equals to a sub 1. So negative 90 plus 735 is equals to 645 over 15. So 1 is equals to 645 divided by 15 is equals to 43. So yan ang ating final answer, or a sub 1 is equals to 43. Yan ang ating final answer. The first term is 43. Ang number 2 natin ay 43 ang answer. So yung third example natin ay a sub 1 is equals to 4, a sub 10 is equals to 355, and our missing is the a sub 10. Yung gagamitin nating formula ay the first term, which is s sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. Since yung missing natin ay a sub 10, and hindi natin magagamit yung second formula dahil wala tayong common difference. So s sub n is equals to, yung s sub n natin ay s sub 10 is equals to 355. So 355 is equals to, yung n natin ay 10 over 2 times yung a sub 1 natin ay 4, and our a sub n is equals to yung a sub n natin ay, it will remain as a sub 10. Since ito yung kailangan nating i-find. So 355 is equals to 10 over 2 is equals to, or 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. And 4 plus a sub 10. 355 is equals to 5 times 4 is equals to 20, and 5 times a sub 10 is equals to, it will remain as 5 a sub 10, and i-transpose natin yung 20 to the left side of the equation. It will be equal to 355 minus 20 is equals to 5a sub 10. So 5a sub 10, para ma-eliminate natin yung 5 ay i-divide natin both sides by 5, or simply subtract natin muna yung 355 minus 20. 355 minus 20 is equals to 335 is equals to 5a sub 10. Divide both sides by 5. So ito, cancel na ito, and a sub 10 is equals to 335 divided by 5 is equals to 67. So our a sub 10 is equals to 67, and that is our answer. Our a sub 10 is equals to 67. Sa fourth example naman tayo. Pwede niyong i-pause ito para makapag-try kayong mag-solve sa ating fourth example. So, S sub 12 is our missing, and our given is given na yung first term which is 7 and the common difference is 3. So obviously, yung second formula yung gagamitin natin. So S sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. So yung S sub n natin ay yung missing. So S sub 12. Ang ating number of terms or the n is 12 over 2. 12 dahil ito na yung given natin which is S sub 12 and 2a sub 1. 2 times, so mapapansin natin na given na yung a sub 1 which is 7. So 2 times 7 plus yung n minus 1, yung n natin ay 12 times the common difference which is 3. Sub 12 is equals to 6, since 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6, and 2 times 7 is equals to 14, plus 12 minus 1 is equals to 11 times 3. So S of 12 is equals to 6 times 14 plus 11 times 3 is equals to 33. Six times 14 plus 33 is equals to 47. S sub 12 is equals to 6 times 47 is equals to 282. So our S sub 12 is 282, which is our final answer for this one. Paano naman kung ganito ang ating example, which is if 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus the ellipsis plus 27x is equals to 754. What is x? So yung given natin ay a sub 1 is equals to 2x. Tapos yung a sub n natin ay ito na 27x. And our s sub n is equals to 754. And ano nga ba yung common difference niya? In order to find the common difference, i-minus lang natin yung second term minus the first term and the third term minus the second term. 3x minus 2x is equals to x. And 4x minus 3x, mapapansin natin na yung 4x minus 3x is equals to x and 3x minus 2x is equals to x. So, meron tayong common difference na x. So, gamitin muna natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence which is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times t. So, ano ang ating a sub n? 27x. Ano yung ating a sub 1 is 2x. Plus, ano yung ating n? So, yung ating n, since it is missing, we will leave this as n. And minus 1. Ang ating common difference ay x. This one. So, 27x is equals to 2x. N times x is equals to plus nx. Ito. I-distribute lang natin. And negative 1 times x or x times negative 1 is equals to negative x. 27x is equals to 2x minus x is equals to x plus, since like terms sila, we'll just subtract it, and x. So mapapansin na natin na yung 27x and x are both like terms. So itatranspose natin dito, which means that 27x, yung positive x natin ay magiging negative x. 27x minus x equals to nx. x minus x is equals to 26x and is equals to nx. So divide both sides by x in order to find n. It will be this one, cancel, n is equals to, cancel na natin dito, n is equals to 26. Ngayon, dahil alam na natin yung value ng n, ay pwede natin gamitin yung arithmetic series formula, yung first formula, which is s sub n is equals to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So yung s sub n natin ay 754. And yung n natin ay 26 over 2 times yung ating a sub 1 ay 2x plus a sub n. Ano ang ating a sub n? Yung a sub n natin ay 27x from the given. So, simplify na natin. 754 is equals to 26 divided by 2 is equals to 13. Times 29x dahil 27x plus 2x is equals to 29x. And then 754 is equals to 13 times 29x is equals to 377x. So, para ma-find natin yung x ay i-divide both sides natin by 377. Divide both sides by 377. Cancel ito. X equals to 754 divided by 377 is equals to 2. So our final answer is x is equals to 2. Our answer for this number 5 is, when it comes to what is x is equals to 2. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.